Hi guys, it's Nick from Embrosa and today I want to show you how to create the Instagram reel. I'm right now in my campaign and here I can see the content items. When I want to create the Instagram reel, I can click here on the right top corner at add content. I get this screen and under channel I can select the type of content I want to create. I will select in this case Instagram reels. I can type in the name, I call it a test, and select the file from the file library or upload a new file. I already uploaded one, so I select this file and it will automatically upload here. I can type my own text or generate the text. Now I generated the text with AI. I can set the availability, start and end date. I will do it in the summer. And I can make it shareable from app. So users are allowed to share this item, or I can unselect this. When I click on save, the content will be created and now it's loading. So right here we have the content, the Instagram reel I just created with the text, and we see here that it's an Instagram reel. Thank you for watching. See you.